The Omnibus bill, voted for just last month by my opponent, increases our national debt to $21 trillion. It fully funds Obamacare. It sends $500 million to the abortion mills at Planned Parenthood, and it funds hundreds of millions of dollars to federal bureaucrats who take away your rights to keep and bear arms without your day in court. Now that I've made myself clear where I stand with this excessive and unconstitutional spending, I ask for your vote on June 12th. Together we can fight the swamp in D.C. and turn the 10th Congressional District conservative again. We need your vote, and we also need everyone to email, text, and Facebook message all of their contacts. And make sure you bring 5 people to the polls to vote for me. Thank you very much, and God bless America.